Let me ask you something. Have you ever checked your bank statement and seen a small charge? $3, $12, $35, and you thought, now imagine that happening every month, quietly, without you really noticing. Today we're talking about the hidden fees banks don't talk about and how they quietly keep you stuck, especially if you're working hard and trying to get ahead. When I first came to the US, I trusted the bank automatically. I thought, nobody told me banks are businesses, and businesses make money from your money, not just from loans, but from fees, small ones, repeated ones, invisible ones. The big truth: banks don't make most of their money from people who are rich. They make money from people who don't pay attention. Let's break down how. Section 1. Overdraft fees. This is one of the biggest. You swipe your card. Maybe your balance was lower than you thought. Boom, $35. For being short $10. Think about that. You were short 10. They charge you 35. And sometimes, if multiple transactions hit at once, you get charged multiple times. One mistake can turn into $100 in fees. And here's the part they don't highlight. Overdraft fees hit lower income families and immigrants the hardest. Because when money is tight, margin is small. Section 2. Maintenance fees. Have you ever paid a monthly maintenance fee? Just to have an account. You deposited your paycheck. You're keeping money there, and they charge you to hold your own money. If that's $15 per month, that's $180 per year. For nothing. Multiply that by 10 years. That's real money. Section 3. Minimum balance penalties. Some accounts require you to keep a minimum balance. If you drop below it, fee. You're already low on money, so they charge you because you're low on money. That's the system. Section 4. ATM fees. You use an out-of-network ATM. $3 here. $3 from your bank. $6 to access your own money. If you do that twice a month, that's over $100 a year. Again, quiet, small, repeated. Section 5. Hidden convenience fees. Wire transfer fees. Paper statement fees. Foreign transaction fees. Early account closure fees. Inactivity fees. And here's what most people don't realize. The bank is counting on you, not reading the fine print. Because if you understood how many small ways they monetize your behavior, you would ask more questions. Immigrant angle. This is especially important for immigrants because many of us come from cash-based systems. Trust institutions automatically. Don't question account terms. Open whatever account is offered. And sometimes, language barriers make it even harder to understand what we signed. So fees pile up, and we blame ourselves. I should manage better. No, you should be informed. The bigger issue. The real problem isn't the fee, it's the mindset. When small amounts leave your account without your awareness, you lose control. And wealth starts with awareness, not income. Awareness. How to protect yourself. Here's what you can do immediately. First, check your last 3 months of bank statements. Look for overdraft charges, maintenance fees, ATM fees, any recurring bank charge. Add them up. Most people are shocked. Second, call your bank. Yes, call them. Ask, are there accounts with no monthly maintenance fees? Many banks have them. They just don't promote them loudly. Third, turn off overdraft protection linked to fees. Some banks allow transactions to decline instead of charging you. A declined transaction is cheaper than $35. Fourth, consider online banks or credit unions. Many have lower fees and fewer penalties. The wealth shift. Here's what I want you to understand. It's not about hating banks. It's about understanding the game. Banks are businesses. You are the customer, and informed customers don't leak money. When you eliminate hidden fees, that money can go to emergency savings, investments, paying yourself first. That's how small changes become big shifts. Final reframe. Let me say this clearly. You are not behind because you don't work hard. You might be behind because money is leaking in places you weren't shown. Inflation takes your purchasing power. Subscriptions drain your cash flow. Bank fees quietly tax your behavior. But once you see it, you can stop it. If this opened your eyes, watch the next video. Why your savings account is making you poor. And if you're an immigrant or first-generation family trying to break financial cycles, subscribe. This channel is about clarity, and clarity builds wealth.